Gone are the days of carrying speakers to lecture halls. Ladies and gentlemen, the Green Effect-led administration has installed PA systems in 9 lecture halls. As promised last year, was to install PA systems in all large lecture halls. And today, I'm here to inform all of you that we have installed PA systems in 9 large lecture halls. This is massive. This is done basically to improve the teaching and learning of our university. And that is why we want all of you to help in maintaining these PA systems in your various large lecture halls. Thank you very much. My name is Kwesen Samuel Samuel, ATU as our Vice President. Thank you.
Greetings from the Student Representative Council. The public address systems installed are in Grade Hall A, T1, T2, NG4, NG2 and 3, Fashion 4th Floor A, F1, Amphi Large, BTech 24-25. This development has eased the burden on both class representatives and lecturers, making communication more effective and stress-free, ensuring that every student can hear clearly no matter where they are seated during lectures. The SRC, under the leadership of His Excellency Abdullahi Razak, has truly raised the standards. This project is a remarkable step forward and will benefit many students for years to come. This initiative is brought to you by the kind courtesy of the Green Effect-led administration. We promised and we have delivered. We will forever be remembered.